Good morning, myself Prahalad Badkar. Today I'll go to the one more example that is related to static balancing. I'll read the example. A circular disc mounted on a shaft carries three attached masses, that is 8 kg, 6 kg and 5 kg at a radial distance of 75 mm, 85 mm and 55 mm, and angular positions of 45 degree, 135 degree and 240 degree respectively. The angular positions are measured counterclockwise from the reference line along x-axis. Determine the amount of balancing mass at a radial distance of 80 mm required for the static balancing. The things is that they given as a three masses, that is a, I will take it as a 8 as a m1 masses I have taken as a kg, m1 as a 8 kg, m2 as a 6 kg, m3 as a 5 kg, and they are given as a radial distance also in mm, that is a 75 mm, 85 mm, 55 mm. Then you have to find the mr. I will multiply this one mr, that is a, it comes as a 75 into 8, it comes as a 600, 6 into 85, it comes as a 510. You have to calculate this one. 5 into 55, it comes as a 275. You have to calculate this one using this data. Then this is also angular position, they are already given. These are the given thing. Okay, you have to multiply this one, you will get it this one. They will call, they will ask the things, they ask the things, you have to find the balancing mass or counterbalance, that is a counter mass. Okay, at a distance they are given as a radial distance as 80 mm, and you have to find the orientation also, theta b, that is a balancing mass also, that is a counter mass, both are the same. For this beginning I have taken as a, this is a sectional, that is a side view. They are given as a, kept as a position, this is a m1 as a 8 kg, m2 as a 6 kg, m3 as a 5 kg at the distance of 75, 85, then 55. They make the angle as a 45 degree, 135 degree, 240 degree, because I have started from this one counterclockwise direction. Counterclockwise means you have to measure the theta with respect to this way. Theta you have to measure with the counterclockwise. They said clearly. With respect to x means this is a x. If you considering this is a y, you have to measure in this way. For this I'll go to, this is a, you can find the two method. One is by analytical method, also you can solve it. One more method is a, that is a graphical method. Okay, I will go to the graphical method only, that is a better. Okay, graphical method. Then one more thing in this case, this is a static balancing. Why I have to call it as a static balancing? Because all the masses are, unbalanced masses are in single plane. When it is a single plane, you have to say that is static balancing. One more condition, that in this case they are not given a L distance between the two planes, nothing they are given. That's why it is considered as static balancing, because it is finding in single plane only. When it is a single plane, you have to consider as a static balancing only. That is the important thing. When it is a static balancing, you have to only, you need as a centrifugal force, that is a SCR, centrifugal force equal to mr omega square. You have to calculate, you have to take it as a force polygon. For the force polygon only, you have to take it as a centrifugal force only, mr omega square. Omega is not given means you have to take it as a mr only. Clear? I'll go to the graphical method. First I'll take it as a, this one 600. I'll draw that one. It makes an angle of 45 degree. I will take this one first parameter. 6 means I will take it as a scale as a 1 centimeter equal to 100 kg mm. It comes as a 6 centimeter. It makes as a 45 degree. I will draw that one. Okay. With the reference to this one, I will take it as a some. Start with this one. I will take it as a center. This is I have taken as a dotted line. This is, I will start somewhere. This is a square just only for the sake only. This is a 45. I will take it as a 45 here. First I will find it. This is, you take it as a 45 degree. And what is the distance? With respect to, I will take it from this one, this 6 centimeter. I will go to the 6 centimeter. You take it as a 6 centimeter, means approximately comes here only. You draw this one. 6 centimeter at the 45 degree. This is a 45 degree and it comes as a 6 centimeter, that is a M1 R1, it comes as a 600. Okay, then this is a end point. Then second, go to this one, second mass. This is a 510 at the makes angle of 135 degree. Okay, for this also you make it as a, you have to take it as anti-clockwise direction. I will make it as a some reference. This is a, you make it as some plus sign here in order to measure the angle. Okay, what is that? You have to take it as a 135, means it comes as approximately, I will take it this one. You have to start from this only. You have to start from this one, 0. 135 means, look at this one, it comes as a 135 here. 135 here. Then what is the distance? That is a 510. 510 means, you start it, it comes as a 510 means you take it directly. 510, 5 centimeter, it comes as a 5 centimeter, 5.1 centimeter, it comes as 5.1, it comes somewhere here. You draw this also. This is nothing but a M2 R2, this comes as a 510. Okay, this makes a, you have to take it as this angle as a 135 degree. Okay, then this is the end point. Then third one is what? This is a, look at this, 275, it makes angle of 240. Okay, first I will take it as an angle. First you have to take it as an angle only. With respect to this one, I will make it as a some plus sign for the easy to identify the angle. It comes as 240 means, okay, 240, you have to take it. Then you have to take it as a 60 degree. This is comes as a 180. You have to take it as a some 60 degree. With respect to this one, I will take it as a 60 degree. Approximately comes as a here 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree. This is 180 plus 60. How much centimeter? That is a 2.75 centimeter. You take it as a 2.7 centimeter. It is approximately, I will draw the dotted line to get the easy thing. It comes as a 2.7 means nearer to, it comes at 2.7, 2.8. It comes as a here only, up to here. Can you get it? This is M3 R3. This makes a total 240. Okay, 180 plus, that is a 60. Then you draw it bold. I hope that you got it. Then up to this one, M3R3, that is 275. From this one you have to draw the dotted. Dotted means, I will take it as a different color letter, color pen. This is nothing but a counter mass, MC RC. How much centimeter it comes? MC RC, it comes as 5.5 centimeter. 5.5 centimeter means, it comes as 5.5 centimeter into 100 means, it comes as a 5.5. You have to multiply with 100. It comes as a 550. Okay, 550, that is a kg mm. Then they are given MC RC is given, that is RC is also given. MC RC is given as a 80. 550 divided by 80 means, it comes as a 6 point counter mass, that is a 6.875 kg. You will get it. This is a balancing mass also, they will call it. And you have to measure the angle also. Angle means, look at this one, you have to make it Okay, you have to take the angle also. Okay, you take an angle, it comes as approximately, this is 180 plus this is comes as a 100. Look, this is approximately I am taking. Okay, this comes as 90, 90 plus this is 100, 100 plus 180, it comes as 280. This comes as, look at this one, this is 280 degree, will get it. Okay, that is a balancing mass, that is a theta b balancing also, or counter mass. This is, it comes as a final answer is 280 for the angle, and balancing mass comes as, it comes as a 6.875 kg. Okay, I hope that you got it, this one. Okay, you important this one, you have to create a table. Okay, this is not a compulsory, for the understanding only I have taken this one. Directly you can draw this also, that is a graphical method, that is a force polygon, they have to call it as a force polygon, you have to call it as a force polygon. Okay, I stop here only.